Hi, my name is Tyler, and today we're going to answer some commonly asked questions that we get at CircuitStream. So we're going to start off with question 1. How are CircuitStream courses different from courses offered through other educational companies? So CircuitStream courses are different because all of our classes are taught live. We also offer career support to our students once they've completed the courses to assist them with their job search, and we have one-on-one sessions available with our course instructors. So the second question we commonly hear is, how can I afford this course? So there's a few answers to this question. The first is that we have financing options available to help our students manage their expenses. The second is that we have installment plans to help our students spread out the cost of the course. And the third is that we have discounts and regular early bird promotions listed on our social media channels and on our website. And the third and final question that we get asked a lot is, I noticed CircuitStream has partnered with different universities to teach students. Are there any differences in learning experiences between the universities? So the answer to this long and very important question is simply no. Whether you take the course directly through CircuitStream or through one of our university partners, the course content is going to be exactly the same. The only difference would be the type of digital badge that you receive at the end of the course.